In today's video, we are going to cover how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. Begin inside HubSpot and open your settings. Click the settings icon, then go to General. From there, select the Calendar tab so you are looking at the calendar connection area for your account. Once you are in the Calendar section, find the option that says Connect your calendar and click it. This starts the setup process and opens the available calendar connection choices inside HubSpot. When the calendar options appear, choose Google or Gmail. After selecting it, click Connect your calendar again to continue. This confirms that Google Calendar is the service you want to link with HubSpot before moving to Google for authorization. HubSpot will then show details about the Google integration. Take a moment to review what is being connected, then click Accept and connect to Google. That action sends you to the Google sign-in and permission screen. On the Google page, choose the Google account you want to connect. If the account you need is not listed, select Use another account and sign in with your account details. Make sure you select the correct Google account before continuing, especially if you use more than one calendar for work. After you sign in, Google will display the permissions HubSpot is requesting. Review those permissions, then click Allow to authorize HubSpot to access your Google Calendar. This permission step is what lets HubSpot work with your calendar inside its scheduling and sync settings. Once you allow access, HubSpot will begin finishing the connection. Give it a moment while the integration completes. When the process is done, your Google account will appear as connected in the calendar settings area. With the connection in place, stay on the calendar settings page and verify that everything looks the way you want. Confirm that your calendar is showing as connected, then review the related options available in this section. Check Calendar Sync to make sure it matches the way you want HubSpot and Google Calendar to work together. Look at your meeting scheduling page's settings as well, since those depend on the connected calendar. Then review your default meeting link and confirm that it reflects the preference you want to use going forward. At this stage, there is nothing else to authorize unless you want to go back and adjust one of those calendar settings. The main goal here is to make sure the connection is active and that the scheduling options tied to it match your current workflow inside HubSpot. Your Google Calendar is now connected to HubSpot and visible in your calendar settings.